Hello students, and I am happy that you have come in this third lecture of my videos. So in the third lecture we will be creating a profile. So I have opened my profile. In this bottom line you have to create something. You have to write a little about your story or little about any proverb. I will be writing, try me to believe me. I'll be writing, you will be writing anything, whatever you want to write. In this section of description you have to write everything about yourself. For example, I am a logo designer and I will create different type of logo as well as banners and flyers of any type. First of all, click on this, so this will be update of any type. You can write anything about your own self. I am writing about myself. You will be writing your own self and the service you are providing. Write about it, and also write about the commands, means at what level you are using, at what level are you on that thing. Now I am adding languages. My language is English. So now you can change your levels. For example, I am fluent, not native. You can also add your social media links here as well, but I don't have, so I will add a new skill logo design. Experience level, I am an expert. I'll be added. So now it is edited. I will go and update it as well. So now where you studied, you will also write your education, and if you have any certificate from any other place, you can also make it, write it here. So now my profile is ready, and now I have to choose a picture. So I'll go here, logo designer. I'll click here. I'll take a picture from here. I like this picture and I will save it in download folder, graphic design. I'll take my picture, download graphic designer, and place it here. So now my profile is ready, and I have to go. See you in the next lecture.